Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple emails or the bulk emails at once. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just come to this Google and head over to your Gmail account. And as you can see, there are a lot of emails in my inbox, in social, in updates, and in promotions as well. I'm going for this social folder here. Now what you can do is select of course these individually, which would take a lifetime, or you could select this little box at the top here. It will select all 50 on the first page, but the problem with this, if you hit delete, it just loads up with the next 50 to delete. Over here as you can see, I have now these emails I have to go. So to get rid all of those emails, what you are going to do is select this box to highlight as many as you can, and then under here it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. Tap on this select all remaining, then hit delete. It's going to confirm that you are going to take bulk action to delete all of them. Hit OK. It might take a little bit time because it's going to be deleting a lot of emails, and there we have it. As you can see, all emails have been deleted from the social folder. So you can do this for all these folders like updates, promotions, and inbox as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete multiple or bulk emails at once. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.